with publication, education for excellence.
Chapter 5 MS Access Part 2. You will learn in this chapter about MS Access queries, creating a query, saving a query, MS Access form, save a form, MS Access reports, saving a report, and last, that is printing a report. In the previous chapter, you learned about tables. In this chapter, you will learn about some of the MS Access objects such as queries and forms and reports. A query in MS Access produces a selected record from the table that meet certain predefined conditions. A form is used to give input in a table in user-friendly manner. A report is used to produce a table in a printed form. MS Access queries. Queries are a way of searching for and compiling data for one or more tables. Running a query is just like asking a detailed question of your database. When you build a query in Access, you are defined a specific search condition to find only those records that are conformed to certain conditions that are applied. Create a query. To create a query, follow these steps. Number 1, open the database and select the query design command and create tab on a query group. MS Access provides two ways to create a query: Query Wizard and Query Design. Click on the Query Design command. Number 2, Show Tables dialog box will appear. Select the table you want to run a query on. Number 3, click on Add. The selected tables is added in your query window. Click on Close. 4. In the table window, double click the field names you wanted to include in the query. They will be added to the design grid in the bottom part of the screen. Number 5. Select the search criteria by clicking cell in the criteria row. For example, if we want to display first name, last name of class 5th student from the select the following criteria. Some components of query designs are fields from the selected tables are shown in the field row. Names of the table is shown in the table row. Sort data is filtering in ascending or descending order. Show when a query is run a particular field that will be visible or displayed by check mark. Show the show row and criteria filters the records on the condition or is to specify multiple criteria. Number 6. After selecting criteria, run the query by clicking Run command to Query Design tab. 7. The result will display in the datasheet view. Multiple criteria may be applied on tables using and or condition. And condition is applied when the two criteria on the same lines and only those records has to be shown that meets both the criteria. Or condition is applied when you enter one criteria on the criteria row and the second criteria on the or row and the record will meet either of the criteria will be displayed. Saving a query. When you run a query using a criteria, you will display the result in the query window. You can save this query. To save the query, follow these steps. Click on File, Save. The given dialog box will appear. You will change the query name by typing new query name in the box, then click OK. It is now in the database object listed in the navigation pane. MS Access form. A form in MS Access is a database object that is used to input data in database application. It provides an easy and user-friendly manner to enter and edit and view data. There are different ways to create forms. Number 1. Open the database and click Form command and create tab on the form group. Number 2. Click on the table name in the navigation pane on which you wanted to create a form. Then click on the form icon to present in the form. Number 3. A form is created showing all fields of selected tables of the Access window. Record navigation bar is used to access the record on the form. The three views are available in MS Access to view a form. To view a form, click on View Form, Design tabs on the ribbon. First is form view. It is used to type to modify data. Design view. It is used to modify design on the form. And third is layout view. It is used to modify the format of a form. Saving a form. When you create a form, it will be displayed in the form on the window of the input record. You can save this form for the further use. To save the form, follow these steps. Click on File and then Save. The given dialog box will appear. You can change the form name by typing the new name in the type box and then click OK. The new file, the new saved form is now as a database object and get listed in the navigation pane. MS Access Reports. Reports are used to represent data in a specific layout for printing purpose. In reports, data is represented in the effective way to represent data in printed format. Data in report can be analyzed, organized and summarized and present in an effective way. You can insert image, chart, title, date and time in the reports. To create a report, follow these steps. Number 1, open the database and click report command from the create tab on the report group. Number 2, click on the table name in the navigation pane on which you wanted to create report. Click on the report icon in the report group. Number 3, all the records are displayed in a tabular format with the title, date, time, page number as shown below. 4 views are available in which the reports are displayed in MS Access. To view this, click on View Report Design tab on the ribbon. Number 1, Report View. It is used to modify the format of report. Print Preview. It is used to preview report before printing on page. Layout View. It is used to modify the format of the report. Design View. It is used to modify the design of the report. Saving a report. When you create a report, its layout will be displayed on the window. You can now save this report for further use. To save a report, follow this step. Click on File, Save. The given dialog box will appear. You can change report name by typing new report name in the box. Then click OK. The new saved report is now a database object and get enlisted in the navigated pane. Printing a report. To print a report, follow these steps. Click File, Print, Print Preview option. Choose the orientation and page setup from the Print Preview option. Number 3, modify the page size, length and width of the page if required. And 4th, click Print option and click on OK button.
With publication, education for excellence.